Located on the western slopes of the Colorado Rockies in the small town of Mesa is a rare 1,531-acre working cattle ranch. And just across the valley is Powderhorn Ski Resort, which has year-round activity. You have views of both the Grand Mesa and the Powderhorn Ski Resort from all 6 homes on the property. You know, the main lodge is over 9,000 square feet. As we stated in the beginning, the ranch is a working cattle ranch able to carry about 500 cows, and you can still bale 10,000 60-pound square bales. These grasses are brome, timothy, and alfalfa mix. You know, when you have over 2,000 acre feet of water, you can grow about any kind of grasses like this brome and all the alfalfa that exists right here on the Mesa Creek Elk Ranch. The owner has spared no expense when it came to the water distribution. In fact, there's over 11 miles of underground pipeline providing 100 pounds of pressure. Now this is all gravity fed pressure to 14 straight line sprinklers, and it's irrigating over 300 acres. With 10,000 bales, you'll need plenty of barns, and you'll need a maintenance shop big enough to hold all your equipment under roof. Part of the shop has all the fittings and supplies for repair service. You know, there's plenty of history on this ranch. It's been basically unchanged since the 1800s. Okay, now folks, what you're looking at behind me is the Mesa Creek. It flows right through the middle of the property, right here at Mesa Creek Elk Ranch, and this is one of our biggest flows. We get a lot of water rights out of Mesa Creek. You know, this is just one of the ditches carrying an endless water supply to all your pastures. This part of Colorado is known for large elk herds coming out of the White River National Forest and the Grand Mesa National Forest. Mule deer will be found at every part of the ranch, along with lots of turkey. In fact, they come right into the yards. Elk tags for hunting are sold over the counter, even for your out-of-town guests. Mule deer hunting is draw only, but you're assured of landowner tags with this much land. You have lots of turkey to hunt in the fall. You know, this property is for the person who understands the value of having lots of water rights dating back to the 1800s and has most of the mineral rights in an area of Colorado that is booming with gas and oil exploration. You know, the possibilities are endless, and for the person who enjoys the outdoors, besides the hunting, you can enjoy skeet shooting from the deck of the main lodge and enough land to snowmobile. And folks, if you like snow skiing, you're only about 4.5 miles from a major ski resort.
Powderhorn Mountain Resort. It's located about 40 miles from Grand Junction, Colorado. Grand Junction is located western slope of Colorado, and we sit up about 8,000 feet in elevation on the Grand Mesa, which is the largest flat top mountain in the world. We're a full service ski resort and snowboard resort in the winter, and full operations in the summertime.
You know, the trustees have just had a full appraisal done on the property at $7.7 million, which is the asking price. For a full disclosure of all the mineral rights and water rights included in the sale of the property, give me a call.